I needed something to help me sharpen the chain on a chainsaw. So we made it. All right, friends, so they sell these little things to where you can put it on someplace and then clamp your bar to it, and then you can sharpen your chainsaw and it doesn't move around, it doesn't go up and down. And I thought, oh man, that'd be super handy for me. So I had this clamp, and the clamp was no good because it was bent right in here. So it wouldn't go all the way and get tight. And so I thought, well, shoot, I'm just gonna repurpose that. I'll just weld a plate on the bottom, weld an extension over here, and then I can actually clamp it and get it tight, and it will hold my bar as I sharpen my chain. So I had a student that said, hey, I need a project. And I said, I have the perfect project for you. And so I made this little piece, this little spacer deal. He welded it there, and then he welded it to the plate. This is just a scrap plate. He welded it here, and he welded it there. And he did a great job, and it is super strong and sturdy, and it works. So I'm gonna use this to hold my bar as I sharpen my chain. Get it nice and tight. Then I can come over the back here. My chain moves really easy, but it doesn't wobble. And now I can go and I can sharpen my chain, and this thing holds it for me. This will be part of my kit going forward. I have a milk crate that I keep my oil and my gas and my little tool kit in. So this will be part of that moving forward. Make sure to work hard, friends, because hard work's its own reward. Thanks for watching.